how to find your favorites on your TikTok. Now, favorites also means that you've saved a post. I'll show you guys how to do that. But before that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button. Now, let's just dive into TikTok. First, open up your TikTok and make sure that you've logged into it. Now, after you've logged into it, just find a post that you want to add to your favorites. Let's just add this post to our favorites. You can see the favorites button right on the right side. It's like a bookmark right here. Now, after you've tapped on it, the post gets added to your favorites. Now, to find the favorites, what you need to do is just go to your profile. And after you go to your profile, there you will see a few options right below your profile. You will see the bookmark right there. It's probably on the fourth option. Now go to the bookmark, and there you can see your favorites that you have added. Now here you can see I've just added this right now. I added this a while back, and it all gets stored right here. So that is how you find your favorites on TikTok. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Bye bye, take care.